Hello dear friend, Blackmagic company has ultimately released DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. Now we have the new version of DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4 and it's a live now. If you haven't downloaded, please download. In the last video we have already downloaded DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4 and we had gone through some of the new features, from DaVinci Resolve 19.1 series, dear friends. Today's update, DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4, is very important. We can say there are not so many changes, but there is a two changes are very important for us, dear friends. It matters actually. It's a very interesting, and today I will show what's interesting in this update. If you use DaVinci Resolve 19, you must know this update, dear friends. It's very interesting. I just downloaded when I saw and I attentively made research and I found that lots of people had been waiting for this update for a long time, and in this case we can say this is a major update. DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. So dear friend, listen this class till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. It will be very helpful for you. So without wasting time, let's jump into our DaVinci Resolve. Hello dear friend, now we are inside DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. You see, this is our last previous video when I downloaded DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. So if you want to know the all features in detail from this series, DaVinci Resolve 19.1 series, all new features, you can go to our in the screen. I will put this video on in the screen, dear friend. From there you can see and practice. But now we see ProRes this in code of Apple, how to use here in DaVinci Resolve this update. First we come here. First we see update here. Check for update. I have already updated, so I have this 19.1.4, but you will have new window to update here. Just click and update. From the Blackmagic site you can directly update. We come to site here. We are on Blackmagic site. I will give the link in the description box. From there you can just access and download. So very interesting things. You can read all these about DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4 here. Everything is the same, but we come here for features. Actually here you see, this is the following features have been added or updated. Support for Blackmagic Raw SDK 4.5. okay, but major things which I like waiting for long time, lots of people may have been waiting, this is actually, you see dear friend, Apple ProRes encode support on Windows and Linux. This support was not available. Because of this, people couldn't use this facility to encode, but ProRes is one of the best and supreme encode support, dear friend, better than just H264 NVIDIA. You know, now we can use this on Windows 11 and Linux. People who are actually using this ProRes codec, they understand what actually this is. And next is support for Samsung log LUTs. It's okay, everything is okay. Support for Photon, this new 4410.8, it's also okay. Address issues with while importing large Dolby audio files, these are okay, everything. And here this is all the general performance and stability. Because of this update, we can say this is the major update, dear friend, DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. so we come to DaVinci Resolve here, just click. And now we come to delivery tab here where we export video. Now you see we have actually this codec already available, H264 master, HyperDex, H260 high master, all these. Now you will have this, you see, ProRes R22HQ. Actually this is the Apple Mac encoder, dear friend. Here all are simple normal, you know, but this is now new features which has been added. Once you download and check here, so you come here just, and here you will find ProRes 422HQ. You click here, you will click other codec. Hello dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing because of the algorithm of YouTube, but you can make it possible just by subscribing, liking, commenting, dear friends, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. This is normal codec which I use, and but now you can use this codec on Windows 11 and Linux. You can use which people were using on Mac OS. So we come here, once click, and now you see here your codec. Here you can click MP4, the best format, it's okay here. But when you come here, you will have this format actually, you see. Well, here in Apple you see there are various GoPro, all this, but this is a codec. This is Apple. You see this Apple ProRes codec, and here type. There are various type of this Apple ProRes codec. You see Apple ProRes 422, Apple ProRes 422 HQ. Apple ProRes 422 LT, Apple ProRes 422 Proxy, Apple ProRes 4444, Apple ProRes 4444 XQ. What it matters actually? Actually, dear friend, it will provide you the best quality of exported video you can't find anywhere. No, the quality which you got in Mac OS after exporting video, after editing, this same quality you will get no inside Windows 11 and Linux. Actually, this is the great deal, dear friend. And here you can just add to render queue and you will export. So it's a good, no, you can use this codec. Actually, it's a matters, you know, codecs, it's a very costly and lots of development cost are behind this Apple ProRes, and it's actually premium feature. Hello, dear friend. In this context, we can say that it's a very interesting because it's a controversial issues, dear friends, because Mac Apple is a different company and Blackmagic is different company, and the Apple company didn't allow Blackmagic company to use its ProRes encode on Linux and Windows, dear friend. But it's a very good news that now we can use this ProRes encode on Windows and Linux machine. It's a very interesting. I think so they are now collaborating, because I have listened that Blackmagic company and Apple are making some 3D. They have collaboration on 3D objects etc, and some other collaborations. Maybe it's interesting that these company are now working together. That's why Apple has allowed Blackmagic company to use this ProRes encode on Windows and Linux, but Blackmagic company was using this ProRes encode on Apple device. If you use the DaVinci Resolve on Apple device, you can use it, but now we can use it even on Apple and Linux device. And I think in future they will have more collaboration and some other features of Apple's may be integrated into the DaVinci Resolve. I believe that they will integrate some other features in the DaVinci Resolve. So in coming days, in coming years, in 2 years, there will be more such type of interesting news in front of us. Now see this ProRes encode, it's a very good that now we can use. Now we have one more interesting change. Now you can actually use this if you use proxy media generator. You know, if you are on free DaVinci Resolve free version, in this proxy generator Lite something it's called, you can use this Apple feature inside, and you can generate proxy media in a good quality, and later you can edit in good quality. It will take 2 times bigger than the file size, two times bigger than other normal codec H264. But it's really a good deal, because this is available on the free version of DaVinci Resolve. If you use DaVinci Resolve free, you can use this on Windows 11, 10 and Linux machine, dear friends. So it's really I think a great update. Lots of people may have been very happy after this updates. I think so it's a game changer. So let's see how this codec work in proxy media generators here. This is Blackmagic proxy generators. If you are on free version, Blackmagic proxy generator Lite, just you click here, you see now we have this Blackmagic proxy generator here. You will get on the free version Blackmagic proxy generator Lite here, and now you will get this very interesting. You see this when you need to edit video in proxy, because proxy makes editing very light, very convenient way. It may decrease the resolution. We have been using this codec H264 8-bit. I always use this, and this is actually the 10 bits H265 10 bits. And now you can use this codec actually, dear friend, ProRes R22 10-bit 422 1080p. Now this ProRes, this is Apple proxy format. This is actually proxy format. Now we can use on Windows 11 and Linux machines. It's a great deal. In the free version it's available. If you have more information about this, please write me in the comment box, dear friends. It will be very helpful to give this information to your friends actually who use the DaVinci Resolve for their professional work, for their clients, and it will help them. They can make this proxy now in this and edit a video in the best quality, even in the proxy, and export. So it's a great deal, dear friend, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial, and this video will help them a lot, dear friend. This update of the DaVinci Resolve 19.1.0 7.4 is a great deal for me and for everyone who wants to use this codec, the best premium codec, and this even the proxy generator. In proxy generator, this proxy format, the best proxy format now. Share these channels and download this DaVinci Resolve new version right in the comment box. Use this, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.